Now, step one of installing and setting up your Blink outdoor battery-powered security camera is to decide the proper location. What angle do you want to cover? Now, the Blink is motion activated, so it's going to be triggered and then it's going to start recording. So what area of your house do you want covered? We've got a number of cameras here at the house, but we don't have a shot of across the garage door, and that's what we're going to be adding today. This kit includes the camera, mounting hardware, the base unit, as well as power for the base unit. Setup and installation is super easy, especially if you already have a Blink account. Now, once you have the Blink account, you're going to pair the device with the Blink account and add it to the account. We're now charging, we're now looking for it. So we're going to go to the Blink app, we're going to add a device, a wireless camera. It sees it. Home is disarmed. We're going to add it to the account. Continue. It's going to give us some tips. It's looking for the camera. Updating the firmware on the device. We're flashing. Any more? Okay, camera added successfully. Next. Your device comes with free cloud storage. That's what I like about the Blink. As a valued customer, you have free cloud storage. You can continue to record and store events in the cloud at no extra cost. That's the number. So now we're going to edit for the location. Back deck and slider, garage, front door. I'm going to move that camera. Front yard, kitchen. This is our live point and shoot. And the device we just added. Now let's modify that. General settings. We're going to change the name and we're going to call this garage door. Battery level is okay. We're going to save that. Motion settings, we're going to keep it at the default. Video and photo settings, we're going to keep that at the default. It has worked well so far. So it's got an external speaker so we could say, hey, leave my trash alone. Privacy settings, video recording, audio streaming, nice. And help. Okay, that being the case, we're going to take our picture right now. It's syncing with the camera and gets the picture. Once we have it set up, we're going to put the back on. We're going to seal the back. As I've mentioned, Blink comes with the mounting hardware. I'm going to use this aftermarket hardware that I've purchased. This unit includes the base module that you can add additional cameras to and have on your network and your account in the cloud. That on there, snap in the ring, and we're ready to mount the base. We're going to mount this underneath the soffit. We're going to do a peel and stick as well as use the screws. Let's go outside and mount this bad boy. There are a few features that I absolutely love about the Blink security system. Now, it is like a home security system in that I get notified when one of the cameras is triggered. The app on my phone alerts me and lets me know which camera has been triggered, and I can also go in and see the footage that it recorded. My plan includes free storage as long as I don't exceed that storage. So we just keep deleting anything that's triggered. Then I can determine whether I want to call police or not. I can also download and share footage from the Blink camera. So once I get the camera mounted in its new home, it's time for me to replace my beautiful face with an actual thumbnail of its location. Again, I click on the camera, that takes a shot, and I save it. For instructions on more Blink products, click the image on your screen now.